So hello. Today I have to check this Samick grand piano. There's some extra sand in it. I have to check what it is. They called me in the music school and to find if something is on the soundboard or something. This sound here. I have to find out what it is. Why is something like this? Yeah, we will go into this together and find out what it is. Take a look here. Looks like something is that here is something loose and this on the E note. When I touch it, maybe I have to tighten this. There's a vibration in this thing here when I'm touching the note. I also see that when I'm touching the string, the damper should go down with the string. When I put the string down, the damper is not going down with the string, so the damper is sitting too high. I have to lower it too here. You can see it here. Push it down, and the damper should usually go down with the string, but it's sitting too high here. It's not damping. I will fix that too. Like if I put the string down, the damper should go down with the string, but it's not doing that, so I have to lower the dampers. Some screws I have to tighten here. Also to here, going to the frame. See it from here. What I'm doing here. So I'm tightening all the screws here. Here also in the frame. Two screws. So everything is tight now. Nothing is loose here. So the sound is not longer here. I am fixing this extra sound here. It's gone away. So also go here and tighten all the screws also here. Sometimes they are loose and the vibration is sometimes in this one here too. Go. Okay, now it's it's another note now. I'm going to find out here.